Hey, good morning. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along on my channel or on my Instagram page, we are back out here on Dustin Williams' project. So we finally got the building permit. You know, we waited about 4.5 months for the building permit, and the reason that took so long is because everybody quit at the city. So we don't have any inspectors there, we have nobody there, and finally I had to make some phone calls and say, look, I need this building permit for Dustin's garage. So we're out here now and we have this thing chalked out and we're digging the footings for this foundation. You can see that going on out here behind me. Mikey's here, he's operating the backhoe, and we're digging these footings and we're gonna get this foundation down in the next couple of weeks, but we're finally moving along on this project. You know, it's just like everything else. Everybody has quit all over the globe. They've quit their jobs, just like at the city down here, which is the reason it took so long to get this building permit. But we finally got it, and we're not wasting any time. If you followed this project, you've seen how long this has taken. I mean, a bunch of work went into this project, just in the grading phase and everything. And now we're getting into the building phase, and I know Dustin's super excited about it. So we're digging footings right now. We're gonna pour this foundation, and we're gonna move forward on getting this garage built for Dustin. You know, he's got a company that's going to be putting up this metal garage for him, so it's going to be really nice. It's 75 by 42, and but right now you can see Mikey's here digging. You can see these footings are quite large, right? They're 2 foot deep, and they're 2 foot wide and 2 foot deep on the front and back, and they're going to be 1 foot wide and 2 foot deep on the ends. But Mikey's doing a great job here, like he always does. You know, the good news is we're not going down any deeper, because if you recall in the previous videos, we have geogrid down there. You know, and you cannot dig into that geogrid. If you hit geogrid, you ruin it, and it has to all be redone. So we're gonna make sure we don't hit that geogrid. Anyway, thanks for following along. Give us a like on our video if you don't mind. It just helps YouTube to recommend our videos to other people. Go over and follow us on our Instagram page, follow our projects. We have a lot of projects going on. We have a bunch of projects coming up. We have some awesome, huge homes we're getting ready to start. And follow along on our YouTube channel right here and continue to watch this this garage for the Legends Media build. So you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Give us a like on the video, and hopefully you can learn something by watching our projects. That'll help you with your project. Have a great day.